Hi Adiba, hi Anusha.
Hi, Amit.
Yeah, so we can start the office hours as you guys have also joined. So the office hour objective is to help you guys in whatever way we can in to grow and to if you have any question related to product or anything you can ask in this 1 hour. So this is for you guys so that we can help you guys wherever you are stuck. If any knowledge deficit is there or you need help in growing your institute organization. Any kind of question if you have, we are open to answer that.
Okay, Amit. I have a doubt.
Yeah,
Yeah, yes. I'll just share my screen because I'm not seeing some of the sheets which I have made.
sure, sure.
Uh, so here is our platform, right? VEGA AI.
Okay, yeah,
So if I open from my saved like favorites, so if I open from here,
okay,
okay, I'm getting like just a minute. Yeah, here
yeah,
I'm getting like digital set ready, and
okay.
here it is deployed.
Okay, can you go back from this course? The back button with digital asset. Can you click there?
Yeah, here on the course
Not
or
here
here
in the
back.
yeah, this one.
Yeah.
And
So directly it will move on to course.
yeah, scroll down, please. We can see. So these are the deployed courses on your platform,
Yes.
as
Yes.
you can see. And click on ready to deploy. There might be one digital
There
asset.
are no, there are no courses at.
Okay, but still ready to deploy is there, right?
Yeah, it is there. So we made some practice sheets here.
Okay.
We are not able to see that in assign. So while we are assigning to students, it is not showing there. What we made here, some of the practice sheets.
Oh, that issue might be there. Raja is here. Raja, you can you come up like what issue it might be? Like, is it a cache issue or maybe some ready to deploy courses there?
Like which test, practice test or structure test we're talking about?
Practice test.
Just click it once.
Yes.
Can you? Oh yeah, I guess Raja is saying scroll down and just show the practice test.
It's
We
in
will.
ready state, right?
Sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah, this course is in ready state, right? It's not in
Yeah,
deployed.
it is in ready state, but previously it is in deployed state only. I have saved it as a favorite. When I open this, suddenly it will come like this. Again,
So
if I click on courses and select digital set, it will be like deployed only. So is there any possibility to retrieve these practice sheets, what we made it here?
Definitely we can retrieve.
Yeah.
Uh, just
so
share this course with me.
Sorry, I can't
Just
hear you.
just just, uh, just allow
Yeah.
uh,
them. I'm checking it once.
yeah, yeah,
Okay.
maybe Raja is our main engineer who is leading, and he will check from the back end, see like what's the issue. So Raja, if I understood correctly, Anusha is saying ki, when she opened the courses and go to digital asset course, it shows the status as deployed, but she
Yes.
saved the bookmark the courses question database link previously, and when she click there it will take her to a ready state digital asset course, which is creating confusion, and she created a lot of practice tests in this ready to state course which is not showing in deployed stage. That's the confusion main problem statement.
This is old SAT. I think.
Yeah,
No, no, we have created recently itself from June 22nd, 23rd, like that.
Okay, I will check like if something is missing. I will
Yeah.
migrate that test to like the newer one, the new platform.
Okay. Thank you very
Um,
much.
the link, the link, the link that you are checking that you have bookmarked is an old link. Recently, we have migrated, right?
Yeah. So
From then only it is like this. So is there any possibility to retrieve those practice sheets? That's what my question.
Yeah, we would have migrated it already. Just go and see for a digital set in your deployed section, and it will be reflected there itself.
Okay.
yeah, can you check once, Anusha? Go to the deployed course for digital SAT, and go to the practice test section and see like if that is all those you created new tests are there or not. If it is not there, our team will migrate them to
Okay.
the
Okay. Yes.
deployed. Any other question, guys? Adiba, you have any question?
Yes. I'll share my screen too.
Sure.
Yeah. Can you see it?
Yeah, it's visible.
Yeah. When I see these questions, these transitions questions, I can't see the questions after I have made these. And if I see those questions, then I can't see these questions, these transition questions. And also practice sheets, when I go over here,
Okay.
I can't see
Adiba,
the
can you
practice sheets that I've made.
please repeat once?
Yeah, sure. These transition questions, after the question that I have made, after these questions, I can't see them. Like I have made over 20 questions after this, but the platform does not show those questions.
From where you have created
Like from
from
this add questions, and then on the
okay, you
question
ingest.
Can
dashboard, I cannot see them.
Okay.
can you do it right now?
Can you
Like
filter it
just
by
to check.
topic, transition topic? It will filter out all the transition related questions. There are filters here.
Yeah, there is, but I have made 20 more questions after this, but I can't
Oh,
see those.
Like she has
okay.
added 20 more questions, but she is not able to see it in the dashboard, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, this
that's
is the
the
last question that I see, but after this, I have made 20 more questions which I cannot see.
okay.
Can you please add one question in front of us so that we can also diagnose what's the issue?
Okay.
Meanwhile, maybe yeah.
You can see it here.
Yeah, but if I see those 20 questions, then these transition questions they go missing.
If
Okay.
you scroll down, can you scroll down? Yeah, and then if you click on the bottom right arrow, you will be able to see other 10 questions.
No, this is like the previous questions that I.
Okay.
Okay.
So if
Maybe
you add more questions, transition questions just get lost somewhere,
Yes,
right?
they get lost, and also the practice sheets. I have made 8 practice sheets after this one,
Mm-hmm.
but I can't see those. And if I see those practice sheets, then these 4 get lost. These.
maybe Raja and Priyanshu, maybe you guys can check from the back end what's the issue.
Checking just a moment. I mean,
Same organization, right?
Yeah,
Yes.
same organization.
And also, I can't see the incomplete sheets anymore.
Incompletes. Ariba, we introduced one more feature in the operation tab. You can search any user and see all the assign assets. You will see the incomplete thing there as well. Go to users tab in operation, not analytics, the users tab.
User.
Oh, yeah,
Uh,
first one.
Okay.
You can search any student which you want to see, and there is a view asset button here in the corner. You can just see there. Like, click on view assets. If any incomplete is there or skipped status wise, you can see their status as well. And there are maybe links as well to resume. View analytics.
Okay, so these are incomplete and this is complete.
Scroll up.
Ongoing is incomplete
Yeah, all
and
25.
completed
Practice test link you need or structure test?
practice test.
Just click on, I think 7 is completed, 25 is completed, right? Ongoing, like, still they haven't attempted at all.
Yeah,
And skip.
Okay.
yeah. This assigned asset column we created for this reason only, so that whatever you have assigned to student, you can see the status at one place and
Okay.
what's the status.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, your other issue that question and practices are not visible. Our team is
think-
looking after it from backend key. What's the issue there?
Okay, sure.
Yes, I mean, I'll show you that one of the some practice sheets are not saying in deployed course. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, please share the screen.
Yes, I'm just sharing. So this is ready, right? Here I have a practice sheet which is PTM, PTP,
Actually,
SM, USPT. Yeah.
Uh, this one is older course. We migrated to newer, right? New course.
Yes, but I have created on July 2nd. I'm unable to see it in the deployed.
But from, I think, July 11 you have created as well, right?
Yeah, July 11 it is Adiba ma'am sheets, that is verbal.
But this one is the older course, no, not newer one.
Okay.
That's why what happened.
Yeah.
You have created an older course. That's why it's not in the newer course, right?
Okay.
Therefore, we need to migrate that.
Yeah, so maybe Anusha, our team will migrate it to
Please
your current.
don't use older course.
Yeah.
Okay.
How you get this?
Like, hey Anusha, just one question. Like, how are you accessing this course? Like, as per our knowledge, we have removed this course, this particular one, from all
Okay.
our organizations list.
From UI, you want to be able to access this course.
Yep.
I just
Yeah,
want to
she
know.
told already. She told already she had this saved in bookmark.
No.
So
Yeah.
Okay.
she's visiting it from that bookmark link, and hence she was sitting here, and she was expecting it to
Yeah.
reflect newer codes as well.
That's why.
Yeah, so Anusha, like to put it simply, you can unbookmark this link, and
Yes.
as we migrated to new Digitality platform, like in the past update, so the one you see in the courses tab, completed one, that is the current one where you have to create all the resources and these questions, and what the tests that you are seeing are not migrated. Our team will migrate it to that deployed one.
Okay. So
But
these sheets will be
from next time, always create any practice test, structure test in new course.
yeah,
Forget
sure.
this course.
Yeah,
Which
the
one is new,
completed
like
status.
deployed or ready?
The completed one, like deployed one status.
The deployed one. Just use deployed one.
Okay.
Just go on. Just click courses tab right there.
Yes,
Left
yes.
side.
If I click on here, I'll be getting deployed course itself.
Yes. Use this course only.
Yes.
Yes. You can share this link only, like this course,
Yeah, sure.
everyone in the team.
Yeah, team will transfer the test that and question you are saying are not migrated.
Yes.
Just can you provide me the list of like this
But
test,
sheets is, yeah.
so that I can migrate that as well
Okay.
from our end. Right.
So I think from my side and Adiba ma'am side, it will be like all the sheets from here.
Yeah.
Yes. Again, I'll open from the bookmark itself. So
Mhm.
whatever it is there in this, Adiba ma'am, can you see all these questions while all these sheets while assigning?
Yes.
So you can see all these sheets, SK0403.
Yeah, my sheets would be like whatever I have made today, this 11 July.
Okay. Again, today you have made on ready.
Yes, so I can't see those on the other deployed one.
Definitely,
Yeah,
you
we
will not
cannot see
able to see.
there, and yes, we cannot able to assign there also. So there are some sheets.
How many tests are there?
Yes, I'm just checking it. 39.
These are practice tests, right?
Yeah, these are practice tests only. I think from 42, I think. From 42 or 41. Let me just check once. Yeah, from 41.
Mm-hmm.
So practice tests from 41 onwards, 41 and
Yes.
onwards. Those all need to be migrated.
Yes, from June 26th.
Okay. You were saying about question bank as well, right? Questions are not migrated. I guess if these practice tests will migrated, their question will also be
Questions will also come, yes.
okay. So yeah, practice test. Our team will migrate. So
Yes.
for corrective action, like from now on, don't create any material or any test inside this course, the ready one. Always create in deployed one.
Yeah. Yeah. So
Yeah.
you can note down the date, like from June 26th, all the sheets should be migrated.
Okay, I will
Yeah.
do that.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, that's all from my side.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, Anusha. We will definitely migrate them. And any other question, guys? I see Ria also joined the chat.
Yeah.
Hi, Ria.
Hi. Hi. Hi.
You have any question?
Yes, actually, I wanted to discuss on structured test. Like we were already in talks. I have sent a paper. If there is any resolution of the same, I came to know from Piyush that there is some solution for it that you guys have figured out. I guess Priyanshu or Raja might be able to tell me.
Okay.
I
I
have
guess
sent a paper.
I got that.
So, do we have any solution for that?
I think open. Just a minute.
And I had one more thing, like जो structured test में हम लोग like subjective questions डालते हैं, is it possible to have manual checking option or not? Because Piyush once told me that हम लोग manually भी check कर सकते हैं. We will have edit button to check answers, but we cannot see anything as such.
the answer that are submitted by students, right? For the
Right.
yeah, for open-ended questions.
हाँ.
Hey, Ria, this is Kushal. Yeah, we are. That's something that is in plan. we do want to kind of get that, like, where you guys can basically override AI grading.
Okay.
And basically it's a little bit more involved because once you override AI grading, then we have to run all the analytics and all the metrics again. So yeah, because with this whole system upgrade, like to the newer version, uh, there are a lot of things to kind of get kind of done. But that will be something you can look forward to in future upgrade. Mostly it will be in AP, right? I'm guessing these manual grading, like the grading like pre-response questions, those are like the AP style pre-response questions, correct?
Yeah, like they are more or less same. There is one more thing that I was in discussion about. Like if I'm having a question and it has subpart, again the subpart has a subpart. So that thing I was already discussing, that how can we integrate it into the LMS. But other than that, on the evaluation part, I wanted to know if we can manually grade, or if there is any better option also for academics courses.
So one of the thought process that we currently have is that, let's say initially AI graded, but there is a way to students to challenge that grade. And once they challenge the grading, it's like how, like how in classes we always used to challenge professors, right? Like, I'm not agreeing with how you have graded me, right? So in that case, you guys will start to get an option to revise the grade that AI has given, uh, and override it. So that is how maybe what we are thinking. That initially let AI grade it for you so that it solves and it saves your time.
Mm-hmm.
And if students are not, so that way, let's say out of 50, maybe one student is not happy with this grade, then you have to only grade for that one student, right? So it saves you guys a lot of time instead of like manually going and do it for
I
50 student. You can only do it only for the student who's
I
not
get
happy.
that point. I totally get that point. Actually, I had one more thing, that if a question is partially wrong, let's say if a question is of 2 marks completely and the student is getting 1.75 out of 2, still that question is shown incorrect, completely incorrect on the dashboard or evaluation part, assessment part. So, in my view, it's not 100% right, because the completely wrong question also, just I'm getting 0 out of 2, that is also incorrect. And if I'm getting 1.5 or 1.75 out of 2, then that is also incorrect in that category.
That we can fix. Hey Priyanshu, can you note it down?
I
Yeah,
think
we,
yeah,
we
sure.
can we
that
can just we can just
maybe
call
the
it we can
students.
just call it partially correct in those cases.
Yeah,
uh,
probably like in cases of open-ended questions, like the answers for it, we should not so completely incorrect or correct. We can probably try showing just the score that the student has
yeah,
got in
yeah,
that question, like 3 by
Or some
5
other color
something.
we can also use, like we are using red and green, right? For
Yeah,
wrong, we are using red, and we are using green for
yeah,
the right one. So
yeah,
we can use something else, blue or
yeah,
something.
yeah,
yeah.
definitely.
Some
Agreed,
other
agreed.
color.
Will
Yeah,
do.
yeah, exactly. Yeah, we'll do. This is an easy thing. We
Hmm.
can get it done like immediately. The other part that I was telling you, it requires us to little bit think about the whole flow, because there are a lot of because imagine, right, like say
I get it.
like command of evidence, let's say you corrected his grade for that. Now we have to really rerun the analytics, because suddenly now this question is correct, so his competency, his mastery, his accuracy, everything got updated.
Mm.
So we'll have to work out a way where everything is getting triggered once you guys upgrade the grade, right? So that's a little bit more involved, but rest assured that we will give you guys that freedom. We are working in this current version. We are really working on that thought process that whatever AI has generated, you guys should have complete freedom to edit it. Like be it the grade, be it assignment, be it questions. So like I know there are places where we haven't given that option. So we are working on giving that option everywhere.
Okay. Actually, like for example, in biology there was a question, and plant cell both are correct answers. Fill in the blanks. It was there, but if I have written plant in the answer in the solution part from my side, and if the student is writing plant cell, it is evaluating wrong. It is not evaluating correct it as a correct answer. So what to do in such
Yes,
situations?
it will be fixed. Yeah, like so this single response kind of one word or one number kind of response, we are we are changing its logic. So this has been a request as well, and particularly I feel like we need to use our math engine here as well, because sometimes I'm seeing like like if answer is under root 3 and student has written 1.732, then because again remember AI is not a calculator. We also need a calculator to run like some of these square roots and all those things, right? Our human brain is also not a calculator. So AI is very similar, and we had not given the grading engine the math engine. So that is a math side. Obviously, plant and plants are like a word kind of thing, word play. We need to reevaluate that logic of grading like single word response or single number response. Uh, we will look into it for sure. Like, can you, if happens, please send us some of these examples. It will help us like tweak the logic to make sure that we catch all these kind of situations as well.
Overall, though, if I give it a review, MCQs are going very well. But for the subjective things and for the academics part, it's not a very smooth experience, because see, ultimately it's a language thing, and student will use their own language. We will write answer in a particular language. I got to know about the rubrics part, so we made all the rubrics. We were making courses for UK curriculum and Cambridge and all these related courses, so they have their specific assessment objectives, and we have updated everything. But ultimately it is using the language part only. AOs are used only to mark stepwise, like the thing that I'm saying, that out of 2 I'm getting a 1.5 or 1.75. So there the rubrics part is getting used. But for the language part, the rubrics is not of that much great use. The language is ultimately getting checked by the solutions that we are providing. So the two languages are not matching, and each and every question is marked incorrect, whereas it is actually correct. So let's say we have made a worksheet of 13 questions. Student has answered all the questions. All the questions are correct, but only 3 are showing correct, and rest 10 are in the incorrect part. So, what should we do in such case for
Uh,
academics thing?
just flag those, just tell us, if you can send us those examples. I think it's mostly about a little bit change in the logic, and uh, and I think it would start working. Like the original idea behind student like those numeric response thing was not to include word problems. So we will need to expand some of those things as well. So you know that I know is a request for a while, that we need to expand on those, and like maybe change it to numerical response, to maybe single response or single word or single number response type questions. And there, hopefully, if they write plant and plants, we can instruct AI that, all the different variations of these things are possible solutions, right? And hopefully that takes away the problem. And the second thing, as you said, like in these cases, we should not mark it incorrect. We should mark it like partially correct or whatever.
Even like if we get on firstly, if we can get to check manually, that could solve a problem before. Like, I know logics take time, I totally understand everything, but if by any chance we can do that before that we get manual checking option, then at least teachers can check. I know AI saves a lot of time, and I'm totally for it, but till we are about to train the AI or associate some other engines, if we are able to get manually checking option, then that might help us better. This is what I feel personally. So I can ask my teachers that they can check directly, at least they can mark it. We have the answer key with us, and giving them that, they can manually check, and we can go with the smoother process, because we are about to get more students for academics and the related courses. So that is what we will wish for. If possible, do let me know.
Yeah, we will. I mean, okay, if that's the thing, then we will work on it on a little bit priority and kind of give you guys this manual thing.
Thank you so much.
Yep.
The another thing that I wanted to ask is like, if any teacher is joining, then will all the courses be visible to that teacher? Like, I got to know that you guys are planning certain restrictions for the different type of team members that we are having, like admin and teachers and the complete access. So you are segregating it. That I got to know in the previous meeting. But this thing I'm not sure. Like, will teachers be able to select any courses that are available from the top in the operations section?
In the operations section, um, I think the idea at this point is that teachers should only be able to see things of the batches that they are assigned to, and and then the users who are part of those batches. Uh, but yeah, I think as far as what you're saying, like changing to course, I feel like it will be restrict. It will restrict right now if they are changing to a course where they don't have any student. So it will stop them from basically showing any view because they will not have any batch or any student in those. They will still see those courses in the drop down, but it will basically just tell them that you don't have any assigned batches or students in these courses.
Okay, so when the restrictions will be like rolling out, so this thing will also be there, right?
Yeah. So this
Yeah.
whole idea of admin and the governance layer, right?
Yeah.
This is a bigger request now that things are getting little bit more smoother on how the course is being built, how assets are being built within course, and then how the whole operations is being run, right? So this has been one of the primary, I think, requests from a lot of different companies. So governance is literally what we are working on right now.
Okay, got it. Okay.
Okay.
And I had sent like a picture on the group. So there, what was happening that on our side, admin side only, when we are changing the course, so the material related to other courses are also still visible in the operations bar again. So I have tried to refresh, I tried to like reopen and change again and again, but ultimately 2 or 3 courses are together, they are getting like shown on the operations part. So I don't know whether it's a glitch or
Yeah. Maybe it will be a glitch. Can you share the screen? You're talking about in assign tab, right?
right. I have sent a screenshot on
It
the
was happening. It was happening due to the default selection of the current course. I think we have worked on it today. I think it will be fixed. Still, you can show us the issue.
okay, I'll show it later then. Actually, I have not logged in right now, so I'm on my different device. I'll show it later.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Just send us, maybe. I mean, if you already sent the screenshot, let us have a look into it. As Priyanshu said, there was a default setting of a default course.
Okay.
We are going to kind of remove that restriction. So hopefully that should take away the issue.
All right. I had another request of that dialogue box, if you guys remember, like when the student is solving a question, then on the answer part, we have a box to write the doubts or to comment on the question, whatever feedback is there in the student's mind for every question. So are we expecting that soon?
Yes, yeah, we are coming with that.
Okay. All right. Okay. So these were the questions from my side. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, Ria.